Today, we'll guide you through the proper way to ship and package your samples for analysis. Following these steps helps us ensure your samples are received in the best condition possible. First things first, refer to your chain of custody form. This document has all the shipping and packaging information you'll need. It's crucial that you fill out all the required sections accurately. And remember, leave the lab use only section blank, as that's for us here at Digester Doc. Remember to refer to our pricing guide to find out further information about our tests. You'll want to fill in a proper label to affix to your sample bottle. This label will reflect the same information you put on the COC document. You'll want to place that label directly onto your sample bottle before you collect your sample. The next step is to collect your organic sample. Be sure to collect enough for us to run the testing you've requested. If you have questions about sample volume, please reach out to our specialists for guidance. Please avoid using glass containers for your samples. Make sure your sample bottle lids are tightly secured before packing them. Please fill your sample bottle near the top of the container. Also, it's very important to let your sample cool before shipping it. This helps preserve the quality of your sample and ensures it arrives in the best condition.
The next morning.
Be sure to refer to our shipping and packaging instructions sent by our team. Remember, refrain from using glass containers and place your sample within a cooler. When it comes to keeping your sample cool during transit, never use dry ice. Instead, pack the sample with ice packs. Fill any empty spaces within the package to ensure no jostling occurs during transit. One more important step, always include your chain of custody form inside a Ziploc bag within your package. This ensures that your form stays dry and we have all the information we need to properly input your sample into our system. Place the sealed chain of custody on top of your package. Then close, seal, and place your shipping label. And that's it. Thank you for shipping safely, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're always here to help. Happy sampling.